Affiliate marketing is the concept of making money online by promoting other people's products. Traditionally, most affiliate products require you to sell products upfront, and customers would need to make a purchase within a limited amount of time in order for you to qualify for commissions. Now that you have your affiliate link, which again you can obtain at groovejv.com, we will begin by creating a new GroovePages site designed to promote that link. When you first log into Clickfunnels, you will be greeted by this welcome screen. In the menu on the left, click on the menu item labeled GroovePages. You will then be taken to your GroovePages dashboard, where you will be able to see all the sites you have built, if any. This is how your dashboard would look like if you have GroovePages Lite and no websites built. Whereas in the full version, you wouldn't see the message about only being able to create 3 sites, as the Pro version gives you unlimited sites and funnels. Create a new site by clicking on the pink button on the top right corner of the screen, labeled New Site. This will then open up a new screen where you will be prompted to choose whether you want to start from scratch with a blank page template, or if you want to choose from the list of pre-designed templates right here that are already created. While GroovePages provides you with a set of professionally created templates, even for the free Lite account, which you can see on this page right now, you can always opt to create your own to maximize your own creativity and customize a page that works best for you. To begin with a completely blank page, select Start from Scratch, which also has an image of a blank template. You will then be taken to a completely blank canvas page, where you would then build your new site from scratch. All your customization items can be explored within the navigational menu on the left side of the screen. Take your time to go through all of these components right here. Check out the alert bars, call to action, contents, covers, features, footers, forms, navigational bars, testimonials, title, elements, as well as a lot more that you can find right here. The reason why you'll want to do this is because the best way to learn and understand this tool is to simply play around with it yourself. If all this is too complicated for you and you would like to save some time, you can always start with one of the pre-designed templates that we saw earlier. So you can always exit out of this page and start again, following the exact same process, this time clicking on a new site and choosing an actual template. Feel free to check out our other videos in this walkthrough series for a live step-by-step demonstration of the customization of a pre-designed template for the purpose of promoting an affiliate marketing product. For GroovePages Lite, you will be able to choose from the first 5 templates on this screen. The ones that are labeled Premium are reserved for Pro members. However, you can still preview them by simply hovering over the screen and clicking on the preview button so that you will have a better idea on the additional benefits that you will get as a Pro member. After you have reviewed them and you are ready to select the one that you want to use, you can choose from any of the templates that are available to you, and if it's available to be selected, you will see this select button. Simply click on that. A new canvas page will then open up with your selected template, and you will be able to start editing your new website. For many website designs, especially ones that include a main image on the front, this main image on the website or landing page may very well be the most eye-catching part of your entire site, and is most likely one of the first things, if not the first thing, that your visitors will see. In the templates that we have chosen for our GroovePages site, this is exactly the case. Keep in mind that while we give you examples of what you can do to change your site's content, as well as how to change them, these are mere examples that you can model after for your own site. Going back to this lesson on images, feel free to use your own images, other ones that you might find online, or even the original one if you want to keep it. Now in this example, we are going to change this main image. To do so, click on the image, and on the menu that pops up on the right side of the screen, select Configure. you will now have the option to change the existing image, which you can do so by clicking on Choose Image. This new window will pop up where you can choose to upload a new image. Use any of the images that you may have already uploaded, which you would then be able to see on the screen. Or if you want, you can also search for free stock photos. Simply do a search right here for any potential relevant term, and all the images that you see here would be completely free for you to use. Now for us, because we want to promote a specific product, this means that I will want to upload a new image. But before we can do that, we first need an image to upload in the first place. For me, I am going to open up a new tab and go to groovefunnels.com. And for the sake of this example, I am going to look through all the different images that I see on this page and take any one of the images that I see on this website. If I want to use this image, all I need to do is right-click and save the image onto my computer. Save it onto your desktop or anywhere that would be easy for you to find later on. Click on Save. This image has now downloaded onto my desktop. Go back to Groove Pages, and on this same screen, you will be able to add this image by clicking on Upload Image. Go to the folder that has your image, and in my case, it's on my desktop. Select it by double-clicking on the image. It will then upload onto your site. This is a preview on how your image would look like. To upload it, simply click on this upload icon. Your image will now be uploaded, and you can choose this image by clicking on it if it's not chosen already. When selected, it will wrap the image with the pink border that you can see on the screen right now. On the right side of the page, you will see the menu. Here, you can make changes to the image dimensions if you want, or simply confirm the image by clicking on Select. As you can see here, your image is almost all set to be replaced. Make any final edits or even a link if you want to. Or if you simply want to replace the image now, click on Update. As you can see, your image is now replaced within the template. In most traditional websites, the headline is considered one of the most important text elements of your web page because, well, it could be the very first thing that your visitors will see on your page. This can either be because the font is the biggest, or the color is the most eye-catching, or that it's simply placed in a position that draws the most attention. On this page, I may consider the biggest text on the screen to be my headline, because to me, that is the first thing that I see. To make changes, simply click on the element box itself. When you double-click, the text will be selected, and here you will also see additional options that will come up on the menu that appears on the right side of the screen. If you want, you can play with those options, but for us, we are simply going to leave everything as is, highlight the headline text, and only make changes to that for our own promotional purposes. If you don't know what to write, you can always model after the actual websites of the products or services that you're promoting. If you want to promote GrooveFunnels, you can always go to groovefunnels.com or groovesell.com to get some ideas. For me, I will in fact model after what they have on their page. And just like that, you have now replaced the original text with your own compelling headline. Within our template, you may notice that there are logo placements on your page, sometimes more than one. This is actually just an image the size of a logo, so you will make changes to it the same way that you would any other image. It's actually up to you whether or not you want to keep a logo on this page. If you don't, by clicking on the logo image, you can choose to delete the image by clicking on this delete icon. To replace the logo with the image selected, which opens up your settings menu on the right, select Configure and click Choose Image. You can now upload your own logo, Or if you don't have one, you can consider to use the logo of the company that owns the products that you are promoting. In this example, we will go to groovefunnels.com and download their logo since we are promoting their products. I can then upload the image file like I would any other image, select it, and choose it as my logo replacement. Remember, you will need to click on Update in order to successfully complete this process. As you can see, the logo is now replaced. Alternatively, if you don't want the logo, you can always click on the logo image and select the trash can icon we talked about to delete the image entirely. Confirm that you want to delete, click on the button, and the logo element will be deleted. Sales copy on your website also plays a huge role in your conversions. That's why within our Groove Pages templates, we make sure to leave space in multiple areas for you to write in your own sales copy in positions that are proven to be effective. You can always go back to your product's main website for inspiration, or you can write compelling sales copy of your own to fill in this space. Your sales copy is now edited and applied to your webpage. The last thing you will need to edit, at least for this template, would probably be similar as if you were using any other templates, and that would be the footer at the bottom of your page. Minor changes would need to be made in order to make your site more personalized to you. Depending on what you had previously done with your logo, whether it's replacing it with your own or deleting it, you will need to do the same thing right here. So for us, we want to make sure that we delete this logo. In addition, you also have the option to edit the text on the footer, replacing it with your own custom information. Or if you just want to leave it as is, then no additional changes are necessary. You can save your changes at any time by clicking on Save. When you have made all the changes you need and are ready for it to go live, click on Publish. You now have the choice to publish your site as a subdomain on Groove Pages, on your own domain name, or both. Please refer back to our video tutorials on how to publish on Groove Pages for more detailed information. For now, we're going to set a Groove Pages subdomain and publish a new page within that subdomain. When we're ready to go live, click on Publish, and now we can see our new page in action.